Hey, health enthusiasts! Today let's dive into why spinach should be your go-to superfood. Trust me, after hearing about its incredible benefits, you'll want to stock your fridge with this leafy green powerhouse. First off, did you know that spinach is packed with nutrients but super low in calories? That's right, it's one of those rare foods that give you a bang for your nutritional buck. A cup of raw spinach contains only 7 calories but is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, not to mention magnesium, iron, and manganese. Now let's talk about the muscle-building power of spinach. Remember Popeye? Well, he was onto something. Spinach contains nitrates that help increase the production of proteins in muscles, making them stronger and more efficient. A study published in the journal Cell Metabolism showed that eating spinach could boost muscle growth. So if you're looking to amp up your workouts, spinach could be your secret weapon. What's more, spinach is a warrior in the fight against oxidative stress. This leafy green is loaded with antioxidants, like lutein, beta-carotene, and quercetin, which help combat the free radicals in your body. These free radicals are notorious for causing premature aging and various diseases. So, eating spinach not only helps you look younger but also protects your health. And for those of you who care about eye health, spinach has got your back, or should I say, your eyes. The antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin are especially abundant in spinach and are known for protecting against macular degeneration and cataracts. Regularly munching on spinach can keep your vision sharp and clear. But that's not all. Spinach also has significant benefits for your heart. It's very high in potassium and low in sodium. This balance is vital for maintaining a healthy blood pressure. Studies have shown that high potassium intake is associated with a reduced risk of stroke and can lower blood pressure in people with hypertension. Now, let's get practical. How can you incorporate more spinach into your diet? It's super versatile. Toss it into your morning smoothie, add it to your salads, or stir it into soups and pasta dishes. It's an easy win on the path to better health. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more healthy tips. Share this with a friend who could use a little superfood boost in their life. Thanks for watching, and remember, for a healthier you, make spinach a regular guest on your plate. See you in the next video.